don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by Ubaba, Umnigen, Wagamtunga.
Hey, bafana bakithi Sithiba.
Hamba kanjani baba wami?
Sikhona sibonga ucameraman ukuthi usithatha sibeka abantu besibona umhlaba wonke.
Uyangithola time lami.
Uyinja sana.
Hayi. That's the game bayazi.
Yebo.
Bayazi.
Akalenzi
bazamile uyangithola.
Akalenzi.
Mara banokushuta ababheke lapha ya. Bavela
baba. No, asiqale lapha ngeChiefs.
Sure Tamara.
Yabona ngithathe lento lena yokuabsorb ipressure egamini.
Sure.
Kuthi kufana nokuthi uvimba amanzi ngesponge.
Yes Tamara.
Siwamunca amanzi isitobe sesiwadedela basesikhatheni.
Yes Tamara.
Lento lena kodwa sisheshe sawadedela ke kuChiefs.
Sure,
iChiefs izama ukuthi ibe compact ukuthi iqine kakhulu emumva.
Yeah.
Manje number 10 bamanje original number 10 ama wing backs.
Sure Tamara.
Ibine wing back eyodwa umnyane.
Yes.
Ngapha bathatha umfana wami uAiden bamshayisa ileft back engabe bamfaka phakathi uMiguel adla ama ice ngaphandle.
Yes, Tamara.
Yebo ngoba vele ubuye kulimaleni.
Yes Tamara.
Ilahle lapha iChiefs. uNgcobo ubelele.
Yes.
Ya akadlalanga kahle umfana. Yebo bekhona umfana. Bese umbuzo enginawo ukuthi le Africa kick mina njengesihlwele njengesiwengu bengihlelele phezulu.
Yeah.
Ngiyambona umremi usuka ngaka right uyehla ufika udlula uApolice uyehlela ngenzansi kwakhe uyayibiza khona.
Yeah.
Abambona abadlali beChiefs kanjani?
Abambona
bacabanga ukuthi bateka emamall kanti siyadlala la yabona ya lapho abenzanga kahle.
Yes Tamala.
Bese Bobby Mtaung is not a problem.
Who is?
Wabuza mina ngisebenza kuChiefs. No, uBobby Mtaung akayona inkinga kuChiefs.
Sure Tamala.
Bobby Mtaung is not a problem. He used to go to Zimbabwe and get Msona.
Yeah.
Go to Zambia, get Mbesuma himself.
Yeah.
Get Jonathan Koti, get Thomas Sweswe, all this. Why did that stop?
I don't know.
If he is a problem, because it was effective.
Yes.
It means the problem is more than that.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs need to sit down. Maybe they don't agree on other things.
Yeah.
I want my opinion to pass, you want your opinion to pass.
Yeah.
And then, but because Bobby Mtaung came first.
Yeah.
We as the public were going to say it's Bobby, but according to my view, it's more than that.
Absolutely.
Chiefs cannot be coached by a choir.
A choir?
Soweto mass choir. Soweto string quartet. You can't.
Yeah.
When I'm talking about a choir, I'm talking about a crowd.
Yes.
There are more people coaching Chiefs than they should be.
Yes.
So I don't like that.
Yes.
Back to the game.
Sure, Tamala.
The Orlando Pirates players, I always said Mremi is always effective when he comes from the left.
Yeah.
And today they put him on the left. And Mnyane, my boy, I like him. He's from my development at Pirates.
Sure, Tamala.
Yeah, he's not going to sleep well today.
Yeah.
Or he's going to sleep, maybe he's going to wake up on Monday. Yeah, thinking it's still Sunday because he worked very hard.
Yes, Tamala.
Our police was Brendan Silent.
Yes, Tamala.
Like I said before, he plays exactly like Brendan Silent.
Yes.
He was cutting inside, he was slicing them. A1 by 11 yeah. So that was very cool.
Yes, Tamala.
The referee he robbed Chiefs of a penalty. Towards the end of the first half.
Sure,
there was I can't remember who, but that player was roughly played inside the 18 area.
Yes.
And the referee waved play on.
Yes, man.
I thought he didn't see it.
Yeah.
But then Orlando Pirates scored a clear goal at the beginning of the second half.
Yeah.
And he ruled it offside.
Yeah.
Which means he was paying. He knows it. He knew that that ball was a goal.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, ubekhokha lapha. Yeah, ubekhokha lapha.
Ngiyakuthola.
Manje lokho kwenza ukuthi
Yeah.
referees sigcina sibagxeka ezinye izinto bazenza bona ngamabomu.
Upalana.
Yeah, umbatha
Short time man.
udlale kahle kakhulu.
Short time man.
Ubumbona umakhehleni Makhawula.
Short time man.
As always,
Flawless.
he played very well.
Flawless.
My man of the match will be between Makhawula, Apolisi,
Yeah.
and Sbilibili,
Yeah.
and Orlando Pirates fans. Because they came in numbers,
Sure,
they
Tamara.
didn't have flags, they outsang Kaizer Chiefs players.
Yes, Tamara.
Kaizer Chiefs players left early in their own backyard,
Yes.
and Orlando Pirates fans were left singing
Yeah.
inside the stadium. So Orlando Pirates won today. The game won today. People say Chiefs didn't come to the party today,
Sure, Tamara.
forgetting that there was no party here.
Yeah.
It was a game fighting for 3 points. Chiefs players came with the mentality that there was a party here,
Yeah.
only to find that Orlando Pirates players were prepared to play. So Chiefs thinks the game is still gonna start,
Hey.
but it finished already.
It's done.
It's done.
It's done.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you, my cameraman. I love you, but I'm not sure.